Hi everyone, my name is Olivier and today I will show you how to use the flex volume of the new HandySCAN MAX. The MAX series is optimized to acquire highly accurate 3D measurements on large parts. It can scan from 30 centimeters or 12 inches all the way up to 2.5 meters or more than 8 feet. Having such a range available gives the user a massive amount of flexibility, whether speed or resolution or both is required for the project. What Creaform's new flex volume does is automatically adjust the scanning parameters depending on the working distance and allows for a live scanning high-resolution mode. Let's see how it works on this minivan. The way it works is very easy. Simply select the right flex volume for your project and start scanning. For this project, we're using the nominal working distance, so scanning a meter away from the part to value the speed without compromising on the resolution, which is automatically set at 1 millimeter. As you can see here, the scanning speed is very fast as the scanning area is around 1 meter by 1 meter. The other modes available are the far mode with close to 2 meter working distance and near with 500 millimeter working distance. The software also suggests the target density accordingly. Now, if I need to acquire areas with a higher resolution, I simply need to activate the high resolution mode from the scanner and get closer to the part. Just remember to add a bit more targets since the scanning area reduces as we approach. And just like that, the flex volume allowed me to scan this large part very quickly by using few targets and grab some more areas with a higher resolution. And this is what the HandySCAN MAX is all about. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.